Hey everybody, we're going to go ahead and do the most important video ever, how to install your custom indicators. Remember, you only get one set of custom indicators. There is no exceptions for any reason, so choose wisely. So step one is make sure you have sent us your exact MT4 account number you want, and then you will go ahead and get within 24 to 48 hours, you will receive the custom indicators to that account number sent back to you in an email. And that email will look pretty much just like this right here. It'll say, hey, congratulations, here are your new indicators, or some version of that. And in which case, you will click on this email, and then you will download each one of these individually, and there'll be 12 of them. See how you do it? You just download, 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 over and over again until you get to 12 of these. When you're done with 12 of those, then you will go ahead and go on to the next step. So after they're downloaded to the download folder down here, looks like this, you will open up your folder by double clicking on it. Then you will go over to downloads, and then you'll see your indicators. And what you'll do is you'll left click on one, hold down your shift button, left click again, and then right click and copy. Now they're all copied over. So then we're going to close down your downloads. And now we're going to go ahead and go on to step 5, which is where we're going to go over to your file right here. Let's go ahead. This is your MT4. It's going to look just like this, probably a little bigger. In this case, it'll look like this, whatever the version. It'll look something like that. It'll be nice and big with some charts on it, probably look like this. But that's okay. All we care about is it says here your number will be live or demo. We're going to go under File. We're going to go over Open Data folder. And then we're going to go under MQL4. Double click it. And then you're going to just highlight over this indicator area. Right click.
New safety trade alert. New safety trade alert.
That's our scanner saying we're about to make money. But anyway, you're going to right click over this and you're going to hit paste. Zoop, and then they'll go inside of your indicators. You can check if they're in there by double clicking it, and then you'll see them. They'll look like the Bach, blah, blah, blah. They'll all be in there like that. Once you're in there, you'll close that down. Then the next step is you're going to go under View, and you're going to go under Navigator. Okay, and then the View Navigator will pop up just like this. And then you're going to right click anywhere. Whoops, let me show you another little possibility for you. Sorry, we'll go up here. Sometimes your indicator folder is collapsed like this. Just click on that plus button, doop, and then it opens up. Right click, hit refresh. All of a sudden, after you hit refresh, you're going to see the indicators pop up, and they're so cool. You're going to see all of them. I have a lot of copies.
New safety trade alert. New safety trade alert.
That's more money coming to us. That's our scanner room. If you don't know what that is, it's amazing, but we'll go over that later. So now you're going to see all these scanners here. The first one you're going to do in order is you're going to double click the Bach. Boom. You're going to go double click. Then you're going to hit OK. Doop. It's going to go ahead and go in. Then you're going to go ahead and double click top. Then you're going to hit OK. Doop. Then it's going to come on your chart. Then you're going to go ahead and double click second from top. Doop. And you're going to hit OK. Doop. It's going to come up on your chart. Then you're going to hit third from top. Double click. Hit OK. It's going to come up on your chart. Then you're going to hit bottom. Double click. Hit OK. It's going to come up on your chart. So eventually your charts are going to have a lot of different indicators on it, but let me keep going in order. The next one you're going to do is called Big Aqua right here. Double click it, hit OK, it'll come up on your chart. Then the next one you're going to do is Candles to Color Change. And that may be up here. It is right here. You see it right there where it says Candles to Color Change. You're going to go ahead and click OK. It's going to come up on your chart. Then you're going to do Line Color Change, number 8, a line. You're going to highlight it, double click it, hit OK. It's going to come up on your chart. And then you're going to go ahead and go to Sync Scroll. You can see Sync Scroll right here. You're going to double click it, hit OK. It's going to come up on your chart. Then you're going to come up to Crosshairs. crosshairs is right here. Oh, I forgot. And then crosshairs here. Yours is called crosshairs. Boom, right here. Double click it. Hit OK. You're in. That's coming up on your chart. The next one you're going to click is symbol watermark. So it looks like this. In this case, it's YFX, but yours will just be symbol watermark. You're going to click it. And inside of here, you're going to change this one where it says tag line font size. You're going to change this to 22. You're going to scoot down. You're going to see right here where it says display symbol false. Then underneath it, it says display description false. And then you're going to say display tagline true. And then you're going to change your tagline to the safety trade. I have to capitalize that. Sorry, I'm a terrible typer. Trade.com. And now you're going to hit that OK button right here. You see it? OK. Boop. It'll come up. Next up, you're going to do what's called the sessions. So the sessions look exactly like this right here. You'll see sessions. Doop. We're going to double click it. Inside of here on this line right here where it says Asian begin, which is not actually Asians begin, American, but anyway, it's 12. And then the next line underneath that where it says Asian ends, you're going to hit 20. And this is your normal trading box that you get to trade 1 minute charts in. Then you're going to click on the color and you're going to go over to here and well, I can't show you with that one. We're going to click on the color. You're going to go right over here, right underneath the top one right there. Then you're going to come right down below that where it says Euro begin. That's going to be a 0. 0 underneath that. 0 underneath that. And then we're going to go down one more. And 0. And then we're going to hit OK. Boop. And that'll make a blue box that you'll be trading your 1 minute in, which will be explained in another video. Now after that, you need to re-watch this video over and over and over again so you get good with it. So let me go ahead and show you from the beginning so you have a good idea of what we just did. You're going to get your email. I'm going to whip through this pretty fast because it's very easy, but here it is. Download each and every of the 12. Download, 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 download. Once you download those to your file, you're going to open up your download file. You're going to go into your downloads. You're going to go ahead and grab all these little things right here. You're going to copy them. You're going to get out of there and you're going to go right over to your actual Eagle FX right here. You're going to go under File. Then you're going to go ahead and go down to Open Data folder. After it opens, you're going to go to MQL4. Then after this, you're going to go to Indicators. Right click, hit Paste right there. After you hit Paste, they will be loaded into your indicators. You can see that. You'll see them right here. You go, oh, they're in there. Cool. Then you close out of this. Then you go over to View. Then you go over to Navigator. You come over to here and you would hit right click, refresh. If your navigator isn't open, you can see it right here anyways. If you just go right here, your indicators will be like this. They might not be expanded. You need to come over to here, hit that plus button. They'll be expanded. You go right click, refresh. Once it's refreshed, you'll see your indicators come up. After you see this, you will load them up in this order. Number 1 is BAC. Double click it, hit OK. Number 2 is going to come up. That's going to be your top indicator right here. Double click it, hit OK. Then you're going to come in and you're going to go to the second from the top. Double click it, hit OK. Then you're going to come from the third from the top. Double click it, hit OK. I'm going faster because it's my second time through here, right? Bottom, double click it, hit OK. Then you're going to install what's called Big Aqua. Double click it, hit OK. Then you're going to install the candle color change. Double click it, hit OK. Then your line color change. Double click it, hit OK. Are you guys getting the idea how fast this can go? And then you're going to go ahead and do what's called your sync scroll. Double click it, hit OK. Then yours is called crosshair. Double click it, hit OK. And then you're going to go ahead and go under your symbol watermark, which this is not the symbol. It's actually called symbol. Double click it. Do all the changes I showed you with. Go under sessions. Do all the changes I showed you with under sessions. And then you are done reinstalling these indicators again. When you're done with all of this, you're going to see a chart that looks very, very, very much like this, where it's going to be red, 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 or whatever colors, green, 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 and then this goes up to the blue line. We made lots of money today, actually. Might have to do live now. Anyway, and that's how you do it. This is how you install it. I will teach you how to trade this when we meet one-on-one, but you have to have this installed exactly like I just did before we meet. Then we'll be meeting on a Zoom call, and I'll teach you and train you on how to do all that and how to trade it. Okay? Thank you. Hope that really helped. Rewatch this video as many times as you need. 20 times, I don't care, 100 times. Just keep rewatching until you understand it. Thank you all, and God bless.